Here I've got iPhone 11 and let me show you how to add event to a calendar on the following device. So at the very beginning, from your home screen, you have to select the calendar. Here it is. Now just pick the date on which you would like to have this alarm, this reminder. It can be 22nd of November, and then click on plus to add some event. Now you can enter the title of this event. It will be Hard Reset. Then you can add the location if you want to. You can turn on location services to allow calendar to determine your location. You can change the settings. I won't do it right now. And now just select the period of time in which this event is taking place. So it can be all day. Just tap over here to do it. Or you can pick the start hour and also the end hour. For example, like that. You can also pick the time zone. You can select repeat, so it can be repeated every day, every week, every 2 weeks, every month, or every year. So if it's, for example, something that can be done every week, then just select repeat weekly, and then you can select end repeat after the date. Some particular date, maybe November 2020. Let's go back, and also you can add some travel time if you want to. Just click over here to do it, and now you can select 5, 15, 30 minutes, or even 1.5 hour, and 2 hours. So let me go back, and here it's time to select the alert. So you can select at the start of travel time 5 minutes before, 10 minutes before, 15, 30, 1 hour, 2 hours, 1 day, 2 days before, or even 1 week before. Let me pick 10 minutes before and click on add. And that's it. As you can see, now we have this event repeatedly every week. If you would like to edit it, simply click on it. Let me go back. Let's go to the first one. Now click on edit, and now you can switch off repeat function to never. Click on done. Save for future events as well. And as you can see, now you will have just this one event only added to your calendar. Here it is. So now on 22nd of November, you will be reminded about this hard reset event. So that's basically all. So you can add some event to calendar. If you would like to delete this event, simply click on it, select delete event, and confirm that you would like to delete it by tapping on delete event. And that's basically all. So how you can easily and quickly add an event to calendar. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.